Hi guys, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Precious Peters. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I cornrow my hair, my natural hair. It wasn't easy for me, but I tried my best. So guys, the first thing I do before cornrowing my hair is to moisturize it to make it very soft and easy for me to work with. Prior to this video, I already detangled my hair so that it will be very easy for me to cornrow it. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications to know each time I post a new video guys.